Hi guys, this is Anna from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a grade 7 Natural Sciences Matter and Materials question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 exam paper. So let's have a look. We're going to be answering question 5.1 in this exam paper, and it reads, during an experiment, a teacher accidentally drops some steel drawing pins into a bowl of sugar. Suggest and explain two methods that could be used to separate the drawing pins from the sugar. So, first of all, key points to note is that the drawing pins are made of steel and they've been dropped into a bowl of sugar. Okay, so the first method that we could use is to use a magnet, which uses magnetic attraction. A magnet would work because steel is made up of an alloy of metals, and one of those metals is iron. Iron is a magnetic metal, and therefore the steel would also be magnetic. Okay, so we say the method is to use a magnet, and the explanation is that the magnet will attract the drawing pins out of the bowl of sugar because steel has iron in it and is therefore magnetic. So that's the first method. And the second method that we could use is to hand pick or hand sort the steel drawing pins from out of the sugar. This is because the drawing pins are big enough to pick using the fingers or forceps or whatever it is you might want to use to pick them out of the sugar. So what you need to do is you shake the bowl of sugar to make the pins settle on the top of the sugar, and then pick out the drawing pins, like I said, using your fingers or tweezers or a pair of forceps or whatever it is that you would like to use to pick them out. So these are the two methods that you can use to separate steel drawing pins from a bowl of sugar. You could either use a magnet or you could hand sort. Alright, so that's that for question 5.1 in this question paper. I'd like to send a very big thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Please read about them and more about us in the description below. Also, don't forget to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Now, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.